Aidan wants proof that Odhran has been making me tea for like a year. Haven't you all? Odhran's been making my tea for like a year. And Aidan's never made me tea. So Aidan wants proof that Odhran can do it. Okay, yours? Odhran, I've got ghost crumpets. Look. Odhran. Ta. Do you want some? Ready, steady, go!
Tired, didn't sleep long.
Ready, steady. Have the milk. 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 In the fridge. No. Not that. Not that either. Mmm. Squirty cream, this is, look. Dip. Can I put the milk in first? Milk before we dipped it. Be hot. Be hot. There you go. Go, go.
Go, Janice.
Go, go. Go, go. Dip, dip. Lovely boy.
Come on, let's go show Mama. Go show Mama. Piggy. Welcome Odhran with his pet pig.
Oh, thank you. Odhran, can you say Katie? Well done. Can you say Sharon? Can you say Peter? Yeah, we know you can say Peter, don't we?
Dad didn't need to shave and he was all around here and he looked like Daddy Pig.
Yeah, when it's all there. Now you said it, you actually do.
I just said to Katie, I said, you know, Dad's
that's right.
yeah, stubbly bit all around here. I said, I think he looks like Daddy Pig and she just killed herself laughing then.
Actually
So,
right.
do you want a piece of the seafood?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which do you want? Which is which? Katie will tell you what they are. There's orange, raspberry and white chocolate.
Like red lobster.
Biscuit.
I was going to sit in front of the fire because it's Christmas. We've had our mince pies. What else do we have? Oh, gingerbread popcorn.
Dun 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 dun.
Hakuna Matata.
What a wonderful phrase.
Hakuna Matata.
Look at that.
Oh yeah, and I'm watching Lego House. Build a Lego house.
Looks like stuff.
For the purpose of getting the right
Grow up.
What is that? Is that one of the things you brown the... What's that thing you brown? Not cremola. The one I don't like.
Oh,
Dessert.
creme brulee.
Creme brulee, you know, when you brown the top.
Yeah. We're rating Mum's food as well.
You need a spoon as well, don't you?
No.
How come you don't need a spoon?
because I only use one hand. Reduced garlic fat bread that I got yesterday, so it's out of date today. It's still a 10 out of 10.
How's your meal?
Good. Sketty and corn mince.
Yeah, that gets a 10 out of 10 from me as well.
Also, pasta's just plain, so that always gets a 10 out of 10 from me. This gets a 5 out of 10 because it's too tomatoey. I don't like tomato.
Cheese bait. Overall, a 9 out of 10. Once again,
Overall,
I agree with you.
An 8.5 out of 10.
I agree with you. It is a bit too tomatoey for me.
'Cause I can see years from now. Born. Nobody's listening. Washed up and running.
How did he stand up? Dun dun.
Say, oh,
Wait, did you do that?
Yeah, I was gonna say, as an egg, you're a beauty, but now you're a real cutie. That's the wrong song. Spike thing. When the wall falls down, when you cross the creek, that's bad luck. Bad luck. If a bee needs a boo-boo on your beak, that's bad luck. Bad luck. If the big wind comes and blows and drops a rock right on your toes. If a fuzzy bug flies up your nose, that's bad luck. Remember, a gal shaped like a pastry.
What? A gown shaped like a pastry.
You have knocked me off my feet again. Got me feeling like I'm nothing. You, with your voice like nails on a chalkboard, calling me out when I wounded you. Picking on the weaker man. One single blow. You don't know what you don't know. Someday I'll be living in a big old city, and all you're ever gonna be is me, and all you're be is me. Why you gotta be so right? You switching sides and your Wi-Fi.
Did I do, man?
I pointed out my flaws again, as if I don't already see them. I walk with my head.
Is that why you see them?
Block you. 'Cause you can't lead me down that road, 'cause you don't know.
So, I think I zoomed in a bunch.
Ever gonna be
My name.
things. And mean, and mean, and mean. Living in a big old city, and all you're ever gonna be is mean. Big enough so you can't hit me, and all you're ever gonna be is mean. Can't hit me. You're ever gonna be is mean. We're gonna be so mean. Yeah, I've got to leave in like 2 minutes.
Yeah! Yeah!
I'm making hot chocolate. So,
Yeah.
turn it around and move out of the way. Today, we're cooking with Cherie. Cooking.
Cooking.
This is the extent of my cooking. Hot chocolate. So, there's a bit of hot water in and make it into a paste. Paste, 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 paste.
Look at that. Just magnific.
It's a bit more than a paste because I like it a bit more than a paste. So I made it a bit more than a paste.
And then you put, what ingredient is that?
Oh, milk. Milk.
Me luck. It's me luck. How do you like my new look?
Plop, 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 plop.
What are you doing? Just choo choo.
And then microwave. Microwave.
Here we have the magical YouTube timer. No, do that at the end.
That's not going all the way. Actually, I might. No, it might blow up first.
Well, if it's going to blow up first, I'm stuck with that. Maybe we should just speed this up. What did she do?
Nothing.
Oh, that seems nice.
Stir. Check the temp. Could be better, could be better.
Get me.
And
Whee!
magic stirs. Magic stirs.
Magic stirs. That looks like a drink that you would. That looks like an ice cream that you would get at the ice cream place.
I don't need your opinion. That was just a fact. Don't need your facts either. Opinion facts.
Opinion facts. Jalapeno facts.
And a bit for yourself.
No, do your signature move. It's world famous now. You
Yeah, you want a bit of orange. So orange, mint.
Ooh, mint. Can I have some? Where's the mint?
No, I'm gonna.
Where's the mint?
I'll make you one now if you want one.
Where's the mint?
In there. Aoife, do you want a hot chocolate? Don't like hot chocolate. Oh. What's in my hand?
Okay.
Have some marshmallows.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. Marshmallows are the best.
What was cooking with cherie?
Oh no! A wild Pidgey appeared. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, didn't you? Go. I did that super zoomed in.
Vegan cream, vegan milk, vegetarian marshmallows. Yeah, I'm eating normal chocolate. And that's the way the hot chocolate. What can it be? Like, that's the way the cookie crumbles. What does the hot chocolate do?
Get drinking?
That's the way the hot chocolate is drunkard.
Okay, you are not allowed to edit that out.
I'm watching In the Tall Grass, which is basically Honey, I Shrunk the Kids, but the other way around. So far, it's good. Wait, it's a film. I thought it was like a series. I always think everything's a series on here. Like that Lego thing I watched, I thought that was a series, and that was just a one-off thing. Naughty. Do, make me feel naughty. Got blue ski. Blue ski. None of your business. It's got nothing to do with you. It has everything to do with not you. You. Yeah, in the tall grass.
There's a lot of tall grass.
Where the people are the normal size and the grass is really big. Not like Honey, I Shrunk the Kids, where the grass is the normal size and the people are really small. Just a bit of interestingness for you to listen to.